Hi, it's Richard. I thought I would record a quick video to describe how to install or uninstall any of our indicators in NinjaTrader. First, let's roll the disclaimer. When you purchase one of our indicators, you will receive 3 electronic files consisting of a user's manual in PDF format and 1 installation file for each of NinjaTrader version 7 and 8. The installation files are zip files, so you should not attempt to modify them. The installation process follows the same steps as for any third-party software as shown here. For NinjaTrader 8, click the Tools menu, then Import, then NinjaScript add-on. From the window that opens, navigate to where you stored the indicator file and select it. The indicator should now install. To uninstall the indicator, click the Tools menu, then remove NinjaScript assembly. From the window that opens, select which indicator you wish to remove and then click Remove. If you are installing a newer version of an indicator, it is recommended you first uninstall the current version before installing the new version. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop us a comment below to share your thoughts. Contact us by email if you are interested in taking a free trial of any of our indicators.